Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I am here at Ueno Station to ride the fastest regular train in Japan. By the end of this video, you'll know what train this is, how fast this train goes, and why this is the only train that's allowed to break the usual speed limit for regular trains. So I'm not sure how many of you knew already, but I'm on the Keisei Skyliner right now. And this is the fastest regular train in Japan. And this is the first time I'm taking this train from Keisei-Ueno Station. Most of the time I take the Keisei Skyliner from Nippori Station. Also, this is the first Skyliner train I rode in the morning, afternoon time in about 3 years. I was supposed to take this train to head over to Hokkaido last November, but the train got suspended all of a sudden on a random Tuesday afternoon. So I had to take the regular train. In the end, I still missed the flight, so I had to take the flight 3 hours later. Alright, I am here at Nippori Station. And after this station, it's not going to stop until Narita International Airport. But this time, I decided to be quiet because there was someone sitting next to me. In fact, the train was full. All the seats were taken. This was surprising because when I reserved this seat at 12 in the morning on the same day, there were so many seats available, but I realized that many foreign tourists will buy the ticket at the station. Well, anyway, so we're passing by a bridge near Nippori Station right now, and this is actually a really nice train view spot. This is where you can see a bullet train, JR train, Keisei train all from above. I went to this place in my past videos, so if you want to check it out, I'll put it in the description. The train is warming up, starting at about 60 to 65 kilometers per hour. We're gonna get there, We are now crossing the Sumida River. We're gonna be crossing way more rivers after this, so buckle up, I guess. Here is the next river, the Here's the next river, the Arakawa River. We're not done yet, so keep buckling up, I guess. We are about to pass Alto Station, and some Skyliners actually stop here, but only the ones with the 3-digit train numbers. If your Skyliner just has 2-digit like this one, it skips this station and goes straight from Keisei-Ueno to Nippori to Narita Airport without stopping. Here's the third river that we're gonna cross in this video, and this one is called the Nakagawa River. We're now passing Keisei Takasago Station. After this point, the train goes from the main line to the Sky Access line. You can get to the airport on the main line too, but it takes longer and you gotta transfer more. Alright, I promise this is the last time we're going to see a river. This is the Edogawa River, which is also the border between Tokyo and Chiba. Once we cross this bridge, we're officially in Chiba Prefecture, which is known to have interesting places with a controversial name like Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Germany Land. So most trains in Japan can go only up to 130 kilometers per hour, but this train, this Keisei Skyliner, can go up to 160, making it the fastest non-bullet train in Japan. So you may be wondering, how is that possible? Most regular train lines have crossings where cars and people cross the tracks. Because of that, the train needs to be able to stop within 600 meters if something's on the track. But the Skyliner is different because it runs on the Narita Sky Access line, which has no level crossings at all. So that means the 600-meter rule doesn't really apply to this line. I think part of these tracks were built before when they were trying to build the Narita Shinkansen in like 1980s or something. But because that project got cancelled, Keisei Skyliner is using it. After hopping on the Sky Access line, the train finally started speeding up, but still not even close to the full speed of 160. There was like a time where it kept staying around 127 to 128 kilometers per hour. I wasn't sure if my app was glitching or that was the actual speed. Then the train started slowing down to under 100 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna be completely honest, at this point I was low-key worried about this video because there was a chance this video was gonna end up being super clickbaity, which is not ideal. But a few minutes later, the train started picking up again. In fact, it went past 130 real quickly, and then it got all the way up to 150 in like no time. I was really excited at this point. I was like, okay, it went from 80 kilometers per hour to 150 within a few minutes. I was like, thank God, I don't have to worry about people complaining like, oh, this video is clickbait, you're lying, I'm gonna unsubscribe to you even though I haven't subscribed to you yet. Now this train is chilling near max speed, around 155 to 158 kilometers per hour. I don't care if this is not the bullet train, it's still fast. You can also see the front view of the ride on the screen in the train. This was pretty cool to watch, until the announcement came that we're almost at Narita International Airport. It felt weird because this train goes from Tokyo all the way to Chiba, but it doesn't even take an hour. It only took 41 minutes to go from Ueno all the way to Narita Airport Station. When we get closer to Narita Airport, you'll see tracks on the left side if you're sitting on the left, and those are the tracks for the JR lines. If you're lucky, you might catch the Sobu line or even the Narita Express passing by. It feels so weird being at this airport within 40 minutes because I took the Narita Express last time and that took like an hour and 10 minutes. And Narita Airport's not in Tokyo, it's like in Chiba, like an actual Chiba. So yeah, the fact that this train got here really fast, it's pretty cool. I know bullet trains go faster, but the fact that this is a regular train and goes pretty fast, it's really cool. And this train is going to be heading over to the main Narita Airport Station. Alright, so that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here, so feel free to check that video out as well. Alright, bye bye.